Are you planning a move in Michigan? Whether it's across the state or across the country, 3 Movers is your trusted partner for affordable and professional moving services. We specialize in local and long-distance moves across Michigan, offering expert packing, moving, and storage solutions. Stick with us to learn how we can make your move easy, stress-free, and affordable. At 3 Movers, we understand that moving can be stressful. That's why we focus on providing reliable and affordable services tailored to your needs. Here's why we're the top choice for Michigan residents. Local and long-distance expertise. Whether you're moving across town or across the country, we have the experience to handle it. Affordable pricing. With transparent, no hidden fee rates, we make sure your move stays within your budget. Professional movers. Our team is trained, efficient, and dedicated to providing excellent service. Flexible moving services. We offer full-service packing, furniture moving, and storage solutions. Anything you need, we can handle. At 3 Movers, we offer a wide range of services to meet every need. Whether you're moving down the street or relocating across the state, here are some of the services we provide. Local moving. Moving within Michigan will help you get into your new home fast and stress-free with affordable flat rate pricing. Long distance moving. Need to move far? We handle everything from packing to shipping with guaranteed arrival dates. Commercial and office moves. Moving your office. We specialize in corporate relocations, ensuring minimal downtime for your business. Military moving. We understand the unique needs of military families. Let us handle your move with precision and care. International moving, relocating abroad. We're experienced in navigating international logistics to get your belongings where they need to go. Not ready for a full-service move, but don't want the hassle of driving a big truck? Shipping containers might be the perfect solution for you. You can pack your items at your own pace. Then let us transport everything to your new home. Once it arrives, just unload and we'll take the container away. Simple, easy, and cost-effective. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more moving tips. Ready for your move? Get in touch with 3 Movers, your trusted Michigan moving company.